You do it?
Connor, throw it up high. Let's see.
What are you looking at?
Over here. Oh, good try.
Whoa! Oh, that was close, Jim.
One of them was hit.
The wine.
Oh.
It's very important.
Yeah. This is not white carpet we're passing it on.
Well, at least you're not throwing up on the white carpet.
Throw it up high, Jim. He's telling you. Whoa.
Woo! Can you do it?
You throw it.
Throw it high.
Throw it up high.
Second.
He kicked his leg. I didn't get it.
Too big for your little legs. Oh, get it.
Got it.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh, now high.
Up high.
Up high.
Throw it.
Up high. Up high.
Catch it. Oh.
Hey, where'd you go? Hey, where'd you go? Hey, where'd you go?